Hey guys, Spencer with Z1 Off-Road. We're going to take a look today at the 2022 Plus Nissan Frontier exhaust. Alright guys, if you've been following us for some time, you know that performance on the V6 models is something we're no stranger to. We did a little shootout a while back when we got going with Z1 Off-Road for the 4 liters. We took all the most popular exhaust, pitted them back to back to back to back, gave you feedback on how they fit or didn't fit. We gave you feedback on how they performed, both on the dyno and in a daily drive sense. So that meant the details on torque and response down low all the way up through the rev range. And we gave you feedback on the noise. How was the amplitude of the sound? Were there points where they droned? What's it like to live with those exhausts? We took all that information, and when our exhaust and team engineers decided that they were finally ready to build exhaust for us on the off-road side, they listened. They said, wow, you guys really gave us a lot of report and features to work on. So right off the bat, performance. Performance was the #1 objective we had to achieve. Provide the best performing exhaust, not just at peak max power, but also without losing the low-end drivability and good tip-in torque and drivability torque. You know, it has a big impact on the efficiency of a truck. And if you drive one around with a load, big tires, or pulling a trailer, then you know that if you put an exhaust on and it loses torque down low, you're really gonna be pissed off. That's not what we're looking for, so our guys said, all right, we'll make sure we have one that performs. They tested a number of different sizes, both on the primary and secondary side of the system, and different types of mufflers until they got one fine-tuned to perform like we needed it to. Outside of that, quality. Quality was the biggest thing that we were making sure we wanted to match. The quality that goes into a Z1 exhaust is unmatched in the industry. You will not find another off-the-shelf offering that is built complete with 304 stainless parts, Mandrel bends, TIG welds, high quality, thick, 304 stainless, flanges. You won't get one that has slip joints that give you the availability if you need to just tweak or get the alignment exactly how you want it. And you won't get one with a straight through performance muffler that makes the power and doesn't have the drone or too much amplitude to deal with. Again, you're in your truck. You may be using it daily driving, maybe you're at an event or off on the ground somewhere that have sound restrictions, or you could be towing and it's gonna be loaded up for a while. Nothing worse than just hating your truck when you listen to one and it's just too much. You definitely know you have an exhaust once you've installed a Z1. You can hear it, nice growl, gives your truck a little sport, and the performance gain felt is, well, much appreciated. I know I have a truck and I have a sports car and my truck feels, you know, not quite as quick. So anything I can do to help it along in the big tires is always appreciated. So check out the details on the Z1 performance exhaust in the listing. And if you guys have questions, just reach out to our team.